Good morning, middle school. Wanted to talk to you about a couple of things today. We just had a 45-minute staff meeting with, I think there were 32 people that were involved in the staff meeting. Things went really well. I think I was surprised at how well Google Hangouts Meet worked. I did not share any screens, but overall, the video was good, audio was good. People were able to chime in, as most of you guys have figured out. Your teachers like to talk, but they do quiet down in a group of 30 people. So maybe you can use that for your advantage, students, sometime. We had a good staff meeting. We talked a little bit about our classes, our class structure. It sounds like things are moving ahead with a lot of different things going on, and students, I commit to you that same challenge that we've had before the last couple of days. That I've got about 15 kids, I think, or something like that, that are still not actively engaged in any e-learning that's going on, and I think it's to their disadvantage, and I'd just like to see a little more of a routine. We're not setting a schedule with anything, but I do think it's important that as kids, you connect with the adults that you're most familiar with. So that's why I'm doing this video. That's why we're having our staff meeting, why we're considering e-learning in the first place, and trying to move ahead with this week and the year the way we have it scheduled. I did want to talk to you, kids, and I've known about this for some time. I just haven't really thought about it. But there's this thing that some of you are familiar with TikTok, Snapchat, and that kind of stuff, the ASMR. It stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It's a way of videotaping where you're gathering sounds and being part of a video, and it kind of puts you in the moment of a lot of things that are actually happening. I'm a craft person. I like woodworking. I like carving. I like leather making. And so I looked up a bunch of videos using that search ASMR, like leathercraft, and you can find a bunch of people that are not speaking and showing you what to do or how to do with a particular project, but you get to listen to the tools interact with the materials, and it does give you a sense of calm that it's a thing. And as adults, we're still trying to figure that out. So I thought maybe you should look into it and maybe ask your teachers if there could be something that it would be like a show and tell of the best ASMR videos out there. I particularly, again, I like that craft stuff, but it wouldn't necessarily be that. But that might be something that your teachers may want to explore. I'm sure some of them have never been exposed to what that actually is. So consider that a challenge to try to get that into the curriculum, because I think it's really interesting stuff. Um, I hope we've got some adults that are making some phone calls trying to get those kids that are not currently involved in classes to just make sure that everybody's okay, and let you know that we care about you and that we're trying to help you in any way that we can. If there's anybody that is looking for anything in particular, please contact me. You can do that right through the Google form right on this page at the very bottom. Or if there's something else, feel free to give me a call. I'm still at school routinely, and if there's anything that I can do to help out, I please want to do that. And we're going to continue on trying to set some expectations with the curriculum, and trying to get kids involved. And it does look and feel differently than the regular old classroom environment. We understand that. The teachers have done an outstanding job in the last week, and make sure that when you get the chance, say thank you, because they have attacked this issue with a lot of class. I've been absolutely impressed with what they've done in such a quick time. So with that, I'm going to let you go for the day, and enjoy the rest of your day.